2022, the year of accomplished dreams. If someone would have told me years ago that I will start doing social media professionally, and by the time I finish my bachelor's degree, I will work with some of the biggest brands in the world, I would have laughed. From Australia and New Zealand, through Portugal, all the way to Mexico, this year I have seen some of the most breathtaking places around the planet. The feeling is still shocking, but I'm grateful for every second of it. These videos might be a bit cliché, but looking back at the past year, seeing what you have accomplished, how much you grew as a person, can be very inspiring. Not just for yourself, but to others too. Because if I can do it, you can do it too. This was the year when I moved to the other side of the world and explored Australia's vast landscapes. The year when I overcame my fear of creating vlogs and became comfortable in front of the camera. And the year in which I learned the most about myself. And the sole purpose of my content is to inspire you to see and experience new places and cultures. Now let's enjoy some of my most memorable moments from 2022.